Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video brings you a tutorial on how to connect the SIYI RC10 Pro to the SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller. The SIYI UniRC10 Pro is specially designed for professional operations of drones, UGVs, USVs, and intelligent robots. It is equipped with a 10.1-inch large screen with 2000 nits brightness, allowing you to easily take control at your fingertips. The SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller features an H7 processor with double floating point arithmetic, an all-new dual industrial-grade IMU redundant design, and an innovative stacked structure. It is compact in size yet rich in interfaces, integrates an Ethernet interface, supports switching between 5V 3.3V PWM outputs, and is compatible with ArduPilot and PX4 firmware. This video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to wire them? How to display and configure the system? What products are used in this test? The products used in this video include SIYI RC10 Pro Remote Controller, SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller, TATA 16,000 mAh battery, cables and accessories used, stop bus cable, telem cable, receiver power cable, 7 nano power module, XT60 to JST adapter cable. How to wire them? First, connect the UART1 port of the SIYI RC10 Pro receiver to the telem1 port of the SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller. UART1 connector, GH1.25 pin. Flight Controller telem1 connector, GH1.25 pin. Connect the S.bus port of the SIYI RC10 Pro receiver to the RC port of the SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller. S.bus connector, GH1.25 pin. Flight Controller RC port connector, DuPont 2.54mm 3 pin. Connect the battery to the XT60 to JST adapter. Then connect the power module to the power port of the SIYI UAV7 Nano Flight Controller. Finally, power the SIYI RC10 Pro receiver. The SIYI RC10 Pro receiver power connector is XT30, with the other end being JST 2.54. How to display and configure. Open UGVs. Click the top right corner to enter the remote controller settings page. Then tap data connection. Set data link 1 to UDP. Set baud rate 1 to 57,600. The ground station will connect automatically. If it does not connect, go to the flight controller page and set connection method UDP CI, address, 192.168.144.20:19856. Then click the Connect button. Once connected, you can view and configure the flight controller data. Return to the flight interface, where the black circular indicator in the center shows the real-time status of the flight controller. On the remote controller calibration page, you can see that the SBUS channel control is working properly. This concludes the SIYI RC10 Pro to CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller connection tutorial. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you would like to learn about, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and usage guides. See you in the next video.